What if I told you Ripple just announced a plan to take control of XRP like never before? We're talking $1 billion move that could shift the entire crypto landscape. And it's not a rumor. It's happening right now. This is Ripple's new $1 billion digital asset treasury, and it could make them the biggest XRP whale in existence. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly why Ripple is doing this, how it could impact XRP's price, and what it means for the future of crypto regulation. According to Crypto News, Ripple is officially creating a $1 billion digital asset treasury. This isn't a meme coin gamble. This is a corporate treasury strategy. The kind of thing you'd expect from Apple or Microsoft, except it's all in crypto. The goal: Ripple wants to become the largest institutional holder of XRP. Right now, they already control about 4.74 billion XRP, and another 35.9 billion is locked in escrow. But this new treasury means Ripple is going to start using its own XRP holdings to fund internal operations, investments, and partnerships, turning XRP into a true financial instrument, not just a token. This is massive because it blurs the line between a traditional financial institution and a blockchain company. So why make this move now? Well, Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse has been crystal clear. They believe institutional adoption is the next major wave in crypto. And while the market has been shaky, Ripple is doubling down when everyone else is pulling back. They're basically saying, we're not waiting for Wall Street to validate XRP. We're going to lead the way ourselves. And the timing couldn't be more interesting. Remember, Ripple just beat the SEC in court, setting the precedent that XRP is not a security when sold on exchanges. Now, with the legal clarity they've been fighting for, Ripple's loading the cannon. So what does this mean for XRP investors? Well, there are two sides to this coin, no pun intended. On one hand, Ripple becoming the biggest XRP whale means more stability, institutional credibility, and long-term commitment. It shows they're not backing out, they're going all in. But on the flip side, centralization critics are already sounding the alarm. If Ripple controls too much XRP, it could mean less decentralization and more price influence from one company. Still, the bigger picture here is what's important. Ripple is building the first corporate crypto treasury of this scale. They're treating XRP like a reserve asset, a strategy that could inspire other companies to follow. So, could this make XRP moon? Well, historically, every time Ripple has expanded its XRP use case, whether for cross-border payments, on-demand liquidity, or new treasury functions, it strengthens XRP's utility narrative. If Ripple starts using billions of XRP as treasury reserves, liquidity could tighten. And with growing institutional adoption, that could easily push demand up and supply down. But let's be real, it won't happen overnight. This is a long-term strategic move. Ripple's playing the 5-year game, not the 5-day pump. So here's the big takeaway. Ripple isn't just holding XRP anymore. They're weaponizing it. This $1 billion move could redefine how crypto companies operate, how governments regulate, and how investors value digital assets. Now the question is, will this be the spark that takes XRP to new highs, or the move that gives Ripple too much power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is Ripple's plan bullish or risky? Hit that like button if you think XRP's story is just getting started. And subscribe to Rob and I Crypto for your daily dose of crypto news and price insights.